So welcome back to the channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the build quality and overall the form factor between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. Can you please compare both phones, because they want to know which phone has got what type of build quality and how much difference the Realme did make in the Realme GT Neo 2. This is what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video. And about the bezels also, I did try to talk about the bezels, the screen bezels, which phone bezels looks really slim and thin. That's what I'm going to discuss. And first thing, let's start with the basic thing, which is about the measuring the weight of the both devices. What is the weight of the both phones? So according to the specifications by GSM, and you can actually see the listing of the size weight of this Realme GT Neo 2 is about 199 grams. Let's check the weight of my unit. It's about close to 205 grams. So there might be some kind of screen protector on the phone. That's the reason why the weight is slightly more, but still we are getting about 2.205 grams. You can see clearly exactly the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the weight. And regarding the weight of the Realme X1 Max, which has got about 179 grams, that's what mentioned. Let me try to check the weight of my device. It's about close to 190 grams. So that's because of the tempered glass which I did install on this phone, which is a border tempered glass. That's the reason, maybe slightly more weight, or because of the tempered glass. So you might be wondering what is the weight of the tempered glass. That's the reason I got one of the tempered glass, so I thought of showing you. So the average weight will be this much, so 14 grams and 12 grams, 13 grams. This will be the average weight for which is the strongest tempered glass, not the normal one, strong one. So that's the one thing which you should definitely understand. So these are the weight differences. And regarding the thickness, which has got the 8.4 mm thickness on the Realme X1 Max side, on the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the thickness about close to 9 mm thickness. So slightly kind of thick when you compare with the Realme X1 Max device in terms of the thickness wise. So let's move to the next basic things, which is there is no 3.5 mm jack. That's the one thing which has been removed. So because there is no 3.5 mm jack, that's the reason we do get the SIM card pin tray on the bottom. So there is volume buttons on the left side. As you can see, exactly the volume buttons, same thing between this both phones they do have. On the right side, we do have the power button, and the power button is slightly kind of textured. You can actually feel that kind of small texture has been added a little bit for the power button. That's the one good thing. And apart from that, on the top we'll be seeing the basic mic position, exactly same mic position. That's much difference. Same position, as you can see, there's not much difference regarding the mic position as well. In the bottom also we do have the mic, and same kind of grills, speaker grills, same 4 speaker grills are present. And one more thing, there is a double kind of bump layer is there on the back side of the camera bump. As you can see, this is a camera layer completely, and camera lens also got slightly bump little bit. So that's kind of slightly lens could have been fit inside, but that's not the case. So we just need this kind of smooth. As you can see, this is a even surface which is there in the Realme X1 Max, but that's not the case in the Realme GT Neo 2. Slightly kind of came outside, so you need to be very careful with the camera lens as well. That's another thing. So regarding the back side, everything, you can see the texture, the gloss and the matte combination which is present in the Realme X1 Max. So there's a small gloss type texture is there here, which is quite similar to the Realme X1 Max, nothing much major difference. And there's a big strip is going on, day to lip, some kind of small train is going on. So we did like this kind of small logo, which is quite fine, instead of having this kind of big line here. That's another thing. So apart from that, there's nothing much special, and there's not dual flashlight. There's only one flashlight. Another one is a light sensor. Same thing in the Realme X1 Max. Don't confuse, only one light is present in this both phones, only one flashlight. So apart from that, nothing much major differences between these both phones. And let's move to the next thing regarding the build quality. I mean, regarding the bezels, which phone bezels looks really slim? That's another quite interesting question. So the reason that Realme GT Neo 2 has got really big screen size, 6.62 inches screen size, and 5000 mAh of battery capacity. These are the few things which makes the phone slightly kind of heavy as well, but not that heavy. I got used to this. So right now you will be able to see the bezels, how thin, little bit. I think both for having very close kind of bezels, nothing much huge difference. As you can see, clear difference, nothing much. I cannot observe any kind of huge difference regarding the bezels. So slightly, nothing, no. So exactly same bezels we do have. And the earpiece, you can see on the top. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see the earpiece or not. I think there is little bit kind of earpiece is there. Same position for the Realme X1 Max as well. Nothing much major difference regarding the earpiece location. So overall, friends, both phones slightly kind of close to each other, but you will be definitely having single hand experiences will be really good in the Realme X1 Max. You can see single hand usage and single hand functionality. You can actually type really very fast. So So this is the few basic build quality differences which are just comparing between both phones. Apart from that, there's nothing much major differences. Both phones do have the in-display fingerprint scanner anyway, so that's also another good thing. In-display fingerprint scanner, both are very fast. But another build quality I forgot to mention totally, which has the very strong haptic feedbacks in the Realme GT. Yes, it's very strong and powerful than the Realme X1 Max. Dual speaker setup, same kind of quality, nothing much major difference. But the haptic feedback, wow, it's real good in this haptic feedback typing in this Realme GT Neo 2. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones. In case if you have any other questions regarding these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely, I'll do my best to compare between this both devices. So if you're having the small hands, and definitely you can go for the Realme X1 Max. If you're okay with the big screen, then only then go for the Realme GT Neo 2. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.